In this video, I will present a demo of TeamTeachingViz, which is a multimodal teaching analytics dashboard to support team teaching reflection. But before the demo, I would like to talk about the context. We collected data from 12 instructors during 4 weeks and 36 in the wild team teaching sessions. The data included indoor positioning and voice activity that was captured by sensors, and spatial pedagogy behaviors that were documented through observations. We then conducted semi-structured interviews with the educators, showing them the dashboard with their own data. And so what I'm going to do in the demo today is I'm going to show you an example of one of the dashboards of one of these educators. So in the dashboard, we can see the different sessions from the different weeks. Remember that multiple educators taught multiple sessions. So we're gonna explore one in detail. The dashboard for each week is composed of different elements. On top, we have a time bar that allows educators to filter data by specific time intervals or class topics and visualize 3 aspects. So on the left, we have the team members' position and voice activities within the classroom that is represented through an activity map that shows the speech detection frequency on the space usage, where each educator or TA is represented by a different color. We have the red teacher, the green teacher, and the blue teacher. We can also filter by teacher. So for example, if we click on the blue teacher, then we'll visualize only the position and the voice activity of the blue teacher, same as if we click on the green teacher or if we filter by the red teacher. To the right of the activity map, we have the spatial pedagogy indicators that are illustrating the distribution of the observed activities. So on the top, we have the 4 activities, which are lecturing, observing, interacting, and personal. And on the matrix shows the distribution, the percentage of the time in the classroom that each teacher spent doing each of the activities. This matrix is also interactive, so if you click on one of the activities, for example lecturing, you can see a bar plot showing the same information but in a more visual way. We can do the same thing for observing, for example, and then we see again the bar plots per TA, or clicking on one TA and filtering per TA and then seeing how the activities were distributed. The last element is the co-teaching strategy panel, which shows the most common co-teaching strategies by each pair of educators. So now we're going to use the class topics to select a specific topic. We're going to start with the first, which is the university database. And we can see how the green teacher was mostly lecturing, whereas the red teacher was more in the personal space, as well as the blue teacher. And this corresponds to the co-teaching strategies that we see below, where the most common strategies are 1 teacher, 1 assistant, and 1 teacher, 1 observer. Now, if we want to see what happened after, we can go to the second class topic, which was single class retrieval, and we can see that now the main teacher that was lecturing changed. So now it's the blue teacher that spent the 74% of the time lecturing, and we can see how it's in front of the classroom and it was also moving around. But we can also see more movement from the green teacher and the red teacher that spent a lot of time interacting with the students and observing the classroom. In this case, we can also notice that the co-teaching strategies changed. And when we go to the last class topic, which is the multiple table retrievals, we see that once again the main lecturer changed, and now it's the red teacher that mostly stayed in the same space, whereas the red teacher and the green teacher were monitoring the classroom. They were interacting with the students, and they were also in their personal space. And the co-teaching strategies also were updated to reflect this behavior. Thanks for watching this demo video. We're looking forward to showing it to you in person in Dublin.